Hey there, welcome to Viral Content Design. We are a big marketplace with more than 200 different bundles of Canva templates, which you can use for your social media page, which allows you to save a lot of time and money. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to get the templates and then how you can use them very easily, customize them, edit them in a matter of minutes. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so here I am inside of the Viral Content Design website. And right now I am inside of a 300 pack of mental health templates. Now we have way more than this. If you just mouse over social media templates up here at the top, you'll see all the various categories that we have. But for this example, we're going to go with the mental health. So I'm going to simply add it to my cart. And then once I add it to my cart, we're going to go ahead and go to checkout. Now inside of the checkout screen, you're going to go ahead and fill in the details and then go ahead and submit your payment. And we're going to send you an email with the download files. Now, once you complete that checkout process, you are going to receive an email, like I mentioned, with a PDF file inside of it that you can download. Also, on the thank you page, which is the post-checkout page that we're looking at right now, you will also be able to download that PDF file. As we can see right here, all we have to do is click this link, or we can click the download now button. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we can see up here it has been downloaded. So let's go ahead and open this up. And once I get that opened up, this is going to contain all of the links to the templates that I want to use. And all of these, as I mentioned, are going to be inside of Canva. So let's say that I wanted to go with the very first one right here. I'm going to go ahead and click here where it says click here. So let's go ahead and click that. And that's going to open up that template inside of Canva for me. And all I have to do is click on use template. So we're going to do that now. And that's going to take me straight into Canva where I can begin customizing this template. As we can see, as I scroll down, we have a lot of different templates that we can begin customizing. Now, the best part about this is that we do not need a premium Canva account. A free subscription will do just fine. And we can easily click inside of here and change the text. We can click on the elements and change the colors like so. We can get rid of the photos and swap those out with other photos. We can change anything that we want to change inside of these templates. Another way I like to quickly change the style of a template is to actually click on styles over here on the left-hand side. And then we can choose one of these styles right here. And when we choose that style, we will see that it automatically updates all of the different colors inside of the template to match the color style that we are choosing on the left over here. So if I were to go with this one, for example, add some pinks in there, as we can see, and it updates just like so. And let's try one more. And as we can see, we can very easily customize these templates, as I mentioned, any way that we want to. Something else we can do is we can actually translate the text across all the different templates very, very easily. So to do that, we're going to go inside of our apps on the left-hand side. And from here, we can either search for translate inside of the search bar, or you'll usually see it on the home screen right here where it says translate. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then once we do, we are going to apply this to all the pages and click on done. And we're going to translate this into, let's say, Spanish. So we're going to search for Spanish, click on Spanish, and then we're going to click on translate. And that's going to go through and that's going to translate our pages into Spanish, as we can see here. And once it's finished in a matter of about 5 seconds, we can see everything has been updated. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and undo that and bring it back to English. Now, finally, once you are done customizing all these different templates, or perhaps you're only using just a few of these templates, we're ready to go ahead and download them to our computer so that we can begin using them inside of our social media. So to do that, we are going to go to the very top right where it says share, and we're going to click on that. Next, we're going to go to download right here, okay? Now, inside of the download, we have two different options. We can download every single one of these templates together as a zip file, or we can pick and choose which files we'd like to download. And in my case, when I am customizing over 100 different templates, I'm not always using all of them. I'm actually kind of scrolling through and picking different ones that I want to use. So I only want to download those ones in those circumstances. Now, the first option that we have is the file type. Now, this is going to be the type of file that we are downloading to our computer. Now, this particular template pack has an MP4 video inside of it. So MP4 video is the recommended by default. However, I'm not going to download any of the video files here. I only want to download images. So I'm going to click on that, and we're going to change this to JPEG, okay? For the size, I'm going to keep it at 1080 by 1080 because I'm going to post this on my social media accounts. For the quality, 80 is standard. We can keep that there. Then where it says all pages, right now by default, we're going to be downloading all 100 different templates. However, if I don't want to do that, all I have to do is click this little drop down arrow. And then once I do that, we can actually go through here and check the ones that we do want to download. So first off, I'm going to uncheck where it says all pages because we don't want to download all the pages. But if you do, leave that checked and then go ahead and click on done and then click on download. However, in my case, let's say I only wanted to download the first 5. We're going to uncheck that and we're going to download 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And let's say randomly we customize page 20 as well. We'll scroll down here and we'll click 20 as well. Now I'm only downloading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and page 20. Okay. Also, if you don't know what page you're on, you can scroll down here and let's just scroll down really, really far. And let's say we're right here. Let's say we customize this one. We can see the page at the top left. This is page 21. Not only that, when we go to share and we go to download and then we go down to the drop down once again, we're going to uncheck all pages. And whatever page you have highlighted here inside of Canva, you will see it says current page, page 21. So you can easily select it that way as well. However, once you have all the pages selected that you would like to download, just go ahead and click on download, and that's going to go ahead and prepare it and download the file for you. And that's just how simple it is to use these viral content design Canva templates. So go ahead and head over there, pick out one of these bundles that you would like to use and get started with instantly. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.